What is that?
Look at you.
Oh, look at me, a mirror. Do you want to take that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take it out.
Look at me.
It's so pretty.
This one. This one strawberries. This one.
The strawberries. Yeah, go ahead, take those out.
Strawberries. Good.
That right there is my little 3-year-old. She was helping me tackle my toiletry cabinet / closet in my guest bath. It was a hot mess, you guys, and since my good friend Heidi over at Happily Thriving Heidi and Jessica over at Casa Magnolia were hosting their seasonal spring clean closet challenge, I decided it was time to tackle this thing. I'll make sure to link to both of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist so that you can see who else joined in cleaning out their closets. So after we emptied out the entire cabinet, I went in with my Miss Meyer's lavender scent multi-purpose spray. I love this stuff. It cleans so well and it smells so good. I'll make sure to link down to where you can get 5 of these products for free with your first $20 purchase over at Grove Collaborative. It is so worth it, you guys. Then I had some contact paper left over from another project and I decided to cover the shelves that had stains and just some kind of water damage from the previous owners. So once I got the measurement for one shelf, I cut the rest of the contact paper for the rest of the shelves in the same size. I covered all of them except for the very bottom one that was actual hardwood and it looked really nice, so I just kind of left that alone. Then it was off to clean out and consolidate stuff. I had stuff that was expired, stuff that was just all over the place, and I just really needed to get rid of the stuff that I couldn't use anymore and get rid of packaging that was taking too much space in that cabinet. Oh, and have you seen these cute little mini ice packs that you can get at Dollar Tree? They are the perfect size for when kids get boo-boos. They're not too big and they work just as well as a large one. So if you have not gotten one, I suggest you do, especially if you have littles. Y'all, I even had a brand new thermometer that I didn't even know I had and it worked just fine. Who knew? Then once everything was pretty much disposed of, I started consolidating all of my different medicines and stuff into different containers that I picked up at my local Dollar Tree. I did redo a couple of things a couple of times. I was trying to test things out, how well they would work in each container, until I finally got it right. I also got these clear resealable plastic bags from my Grove Collaborative membership, and I thought they would be really pretty if I added some toiletries inside of them, and they actually went really well with the basket color that I ended up choosing. And this was all the trash, expired items, and just extra stuff that was in the cabinet that I took out. Then it was time to add the containers back in with all of its items. You will see in a minute that I changed a few things around, but I kept the layout pretty much the same, and I kind of liked how it ended up looking with the contact paper inside of the cabinets as well. Made sure to put all of the medicines up high away from my children's reach, and any other kid-friendly items I put them down below. I knew I wanted to label the items so that we knew exactly what was in each basket, so I took these little plant labels that I got from Dollar Tree and I cut off the little sticks. And then I just use a permanent marker to label the different items. As far as attaching them, I tried my hole punch and my hole punch was not strong enough to cut through the plastic. I also tried a drill, but the plastic was not strong enough for the drill. So I ended up getting some baker's twine from Dollar Tree that I had and just hot gluing it to the back of each of the little labels. Then I just pulled the strings through the little holes in the basket, tied a knot in the back, and then cut off the excess string. This was a perfect solution because if I didn't want to use these baskets any longer, or if I wanted to change some of the labels out, this was going to be really easy. And this is how everything ended up turning out. This only cost me about $8 to do because all I needed were the new baskets. Everything else I already had. I hope you liked this transformation. Let me know in the comments below what you like about it and if you have a cabinet that needs to get done like this. And I will see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to check out that playlist in my description box below. Until my next video, adios!